two rational number is minus 28 by 81. If one of the number is 14 by 27, find the other. Here what is the question? The product of two rational number, and from that one number is given. So let's say the other number is x, because we don't know the second number, but from that first number is given. So 28 by 81, sorry, if here the first number is 14 by 27 and answer is given 28 by 81, so here 14 by 27, that is the one number is 14 by 27, so this is the one number, other number is x, and multiplication of that is given minus 28 by 81. Now here if we want to find this unknown x, now what we performed in a chapter number 2 simple equation, if there is a multiplication on left hand side and we want to find the unknown on right side, it becomes division. So here 14 by 27 is in a multiplication. So we will take this 14 by 7 from the left side to right side, it becomes division. So x will be minus 28 by 81 divided by 14 by 27. Now as we learn the concept of division, division becomes multiplication by writing the reciprocal of next number. So minus 28 by 81 multiply 27 by 14. Now if there is a common factor, then you can cut the common factor. 14 2s are 28, 9, 27 3s are 81. So here minus 2 by 3 will be the answer. It means if we multiply minus 2 by 3 with 14 by 27, we will get minus 28 by 81. Okay. Now next one. By which number should we multiply 3 by minus 14 so that the product may be 5 by 12? Okay. So what is the question? By which number we should multiply 3 by minus 14 and product may be 5 by 12. So if we need to multiply 3 by minus 14 with some number. So let the number is x. Here x is multiplied with 3 by minus 14 and product will give answer 5 by 12. Now again as we learn in a chapter number 2, that is if the number is in a multiplication, on the right hand side it becomes division. So to find x we take 3 by minus 14 on the right side. So 5 by 12 divide 3 by minus 14. Now division become multiplication by writing the reciprocal. So here we have 5 by 12 multiplied minus 14 by 3. So here you can cut the common factor. This is 7 2s and 6 2s 12. So 2 will be cancelled out. Now 7 5s are minus 35, 6 3s are 18. So this will be our answer. Means if we multiply minus 35 by 18 with 3 by minus 14, we will get 5 by 12. Now let's solve the example for division. So here divide first 1 by 1 by 2. So we can write 1 divide 1 by 2. Now division become multiplication. So 1 multiply 2 by 2 by writing the reciprocal. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 2. So here answer is 2. Now for next one, 5 divide minus 5 by 7. So here 5 multiply with 7 by minus 1. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 7 is 7 by minus 5. Now here you can cut the common factor 5. So answer is minus 7. This negative sign is given to minus 7. Now 3 minus 3 by 4 is divided by 9 by minus 16. So here we have minus 3 by 4. Division become multiplication. Reciprocal of 9 by minus 16 is minus 16 by 9. Now you can cut the common factor. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. Minus minus plus, which is 4 by 3. Now next one. Minus 7 by 8 by minus 21 by 16. So here minus 7 by 8 divide by minus 21 by 16. Now minus 7 by 8 as it is, division become multiplication. Reciprocal of minus 21 by 16 is 16 by minus 20. Now got the common factor. 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 21. Minus minus will be cancelled out, so answer is 2 by 2. Here some example are given in homework. You need to perform the division of that. Now next example, the product of two rational number is 50. The product of two rational number is 50. Means if we multiply two rational number, answer is 50. If one of the number is minus 10, find out one number is given minus 10. So let other number is x. So if we multiply x with minus 10, answer is 50. Now here we need to find x, so 10 become division. So x is equal to 15 divide minus 10. So here we can write 15 by minus 10 like this. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. You can find the factor 5 3s are and 5 2s are. So 5 will be cancelled out. So here minus 3 by 2 will be the answer. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Means if we multiply minus 10 with minus 3 by 2, multiplication gives 50. Now next, the product of two rational number is minus 8 by 9. If one of the number is minus 4 by 50, find the product of two number is minus 8 by 9. So product is given, answer is given, and one number is minus 4 by 50. So let's take one number is x. It is multiplied with minus 4 by 50 is equal to minus 8 by 9. Now we need to find x. So minus 4 by 15 become division on right side. So x is equal to minus 8 by 9 divided by minus 4 by 50. Now we need to perform the division. It is converted into multiplication by writing reciprocal of minus 4 by 15 is 4 by minus 4. 15 by minus 4. Now you can cancel out this 2. Now 5 3s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. So 2 5s are 10 divided by 3. That is the answer. So if we multiply minus 4 by 15 with 10 by 3, answer is 8 minus 8 by 9. Now next, by what number should we multiply minus 1 by 6, so the product may be minus 23 by 9. So this is the answer, and minus 1 by 6 needs to multiply with some number. So let the number is x. So here minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with x, minus 23 by 9. Now we need to find x. So minus 23 by 9. Minus 1 by 6 in a multiplication become division. So it is divide minus 1 by 6. Okay. Now x is equal to here minus 23 by 9 multiply 6 by minus 1. Here you can cut the common factor. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 23 multiply 2, that is minus 46 divide minus 3. So here you can cut the negative sign, so it is 46 by. Now next one. By what number should be multiplied? Minus 15 by 28, so as the product may be minus 5 by 7. So product answer is minus 5 by 7. We should multiply minus 15 by 28 with some number. So let's find the answer. Multiply with x, answer is minus 5 by 7. Now we need to find x. Minus 5 by 7 divide minus 15 by 28. Now minus 5 by 7 division become multiplication. Reciprocal is 28 by minus 15. So here you can cut the common factor. are 15, 7 fours are 28, minus minus will be cancelled out, so answer is 4 by 3. So number that we multiply 4 by 3 with minus 15 by 28, answer is minus 5 by 7. Now let's take some more example for division. Here example is divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 31 by 7 and minus 1 by 3. Okay, so what you need to do? Here you need to find the sum of these two numbers, product of these two numbers, and whatever answer you get for two examples, you need to divide that number. Means sum of this number is divided by multiplication of this number. So let's find the sum. Sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. So here minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. LCM is 5 and 7 LCM is 35. So this number is multiplied with 7 and this number is multiplied with 5. 12 multiplied with 5, 7 multiplied with 5. So we have minus 13 by 7, minus 13 multiplied 7, 91 divided by 35 plus 60 divided by 35. Now perform the subtraction. 91 minus 16 is minus 31 divided 35. So this is the answer of sum. Now find the product. So here we have product of minus 31 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So here if we multiply this, we will get minus 31 ones are 31, 7 twos are 40. Now divide minus 31 by 35 by 31 by 40. So divide minus 31 by 35 with 31 by 40. So minus 31 by 35, division become multiplication, so it is 14 by 31. Now here we can cancel out this. Factorize 7 twos are 40, minus sign is there, and 7 fives are 35. So 7 will be cancelled, so answer is minus 2 by 5. Clear? What we have performed? We find the addition of these two, multiplication of these two, and whatever answer we get, we divide both answers. Now let's take next example. Divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 12 by 7 by their difference. So here we need to find the sum of this, then find the difference of that, and then take the division. So let's find the sum. 65 by 12 plus 12 by 7. LCM 84. So 12 is multiplied with 7 and 7 is multiplied with 12. So let's take 65 is multiplied with 7 and 12 is multiplied with 7. 7 is multiplied with 12. So here we have 455 divided by 84 plus 144 divided by 84. Now we have here 599 divide 84. Clear? Now difference. So here we will find the difference. 65 by 12 minus 12 by 7. Again we need to take LCM. LCM is 84. So 65 is multiplied with 7 and 12 is multiplied with 12 divided by 7 multiplied. So here we have 455 divided by 84 minus 144 divided by 84. So if we perform the subtraction, we will get 311 divided 84. Now this is the answer for a difference and this is the answer for a sum. Now take the division of this 599 by 84 with 311 by 84. So now we will write divide 599 by 84 with 311 by 84. So 599 by 84, perform the reciprocal, 84 by 311. 84 will be cancelled out, so answer is 599 by 311. Clear? What is the question? Find, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 12 by 7. So this is the sum by their difference. So we need to find the difference of this. This is the difference. And divide the sum with difference. So that is 599 by 311. Clear? Now next one. The cost of 2 1/3 meters of cloth is 755 1/4. Find the cost per meter. Here the cost for 2 1/3 meter is given and you need to find the cost for 1 meter. So we can write cost for 2 1/3 meters is equal to 75 1/4 rupees. So cost for 1 meter is equal to how much? Now cross multiplication, this is multiplied with 1, 75 1/4 is multiplied with 1, divide 2 1/3. So we have divide 2 1/3. Now convert this into improper fraction. So here we have 75 4s are 301 divide by 4 divide 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 bar. Now to find the division, write the reciprocal. 301 by 4 with 3 by 7. Now here we need to multiply 301 with 3, 4 with 7. Now here 301 divided by 7. So let's divide 301 divide 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 20. So it is 43. So here we can cancel out with 43. Now 43 is multiplied with 3. So it is 9. Now if we divide 129 by 4, we will get 32